Hello everyone, my name is Tobias Leo. I'm a producer and sound designer from Sweden. I'm here in Berlin to talk about my sounds for the montage. I've been doing mainly development in the FM engine, and I want to play you some of those sounds. I also want to play some sounds that I use in my own studio, and these sounds are FM and virtual analog, and they make use of the new shimmer reverb that's out now. So let's do this. Let's try another FM sound. This is a pad where I make use of the aftertouch controlling the chorus. So when I lean into the keyboard, I get more of the chorus effect. Let's try another FM sound. Great, let's try this one. This is a sound that I use in my studio, where I use the FM engine, and I also frequency modulate the FM engine. So it's like double FM. Let's continue with some virtual analog sounds. This one I call Black Hole Pad. It's a super rich pad. Continue with more FM sounds. I put all my controls up here and customize them so I can trim it a little bit. Great. Let's continue with one more analog sound here, virtual analog sound. And what else do we have here? We can do this. We can do this. This is a small sequence where we use a delay as a bass, basically. Let's do one more FM sound here.